Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, there was a boy named Will. Will was a kind and brave boy. He loved to help people. One day, while walking in the forest, Will found a shiny ring. The ring was very special. When Will wore the ring, he became a superhero. Will was now Super Will. He could fly very fast. He could lift big things. He had strong powers. Will used his powers to help people. Everyone in the town loved Super Will. One sunny day, a big fire started in the town. The fire was very dangerous. Many people were scared. They did not know what to do. Super Will saw the fire. He flew to the fire quickly. He used his strong powers to put out the fire. The people were very happy. They thanked Super Will. Will was happy too. Another day, a big storm came. The wind was very strong. The rain was heavy. Many trees fell down. The roads were blocked. People could not go anywhere. Super Will flew into the storm. He moved the trees. He cleared the roads. People were safe again. They cheered for Super Will. One day, a child was lost in the forest. The forest was big and dark. The child was very scared. His family was very sad. They asked Super Will for help. Super Will flew to the forest. He looked everywhere. He called the child's name. Soon, he found the child. The child was crying. Super Will carried the child back home. The family was very happy. They thanked Super Will many times. Will's life was full of adventures. One day, he saw a thief. The thief was stealing money. Super Will stopped the thief. He gave the money back. The people were grateful. Super Will always did the right thing. He was brave and strong. One night, a big monster came to the town. The monster was very scary. It was big and loud. The people were afraid. Super Will was not afraid. He flew to the monster. He fought the monster. It was a long fight. In the end, Super Will won. The monster ran away. The town was safe again. The people cheered for Super Will. Every day, Will had new adventures. He saved cats from trees. He helped old people cross the street. He stopped bullies in the school. He found lost dogs. He was always there to help. One day, Will met another superhero. Her name was Super Anna. Super Anna could run very fast. She could jump very high. She was very brave too. Will and Anna became good friends. They worked together to help people. They were a great team. Super Will and Super Anna had many adventures together. They stopped bad people. They saved many lives. The town was a happy place because of them. Everyone loved Super Will and Super Anna. Will loved being a superhero. He loved helping people. He was always ready for new adventures. He knew that with his powers, he could make the world a better place. One day, Super Will saw a big problem. The river was dirty. The fish were dying. The people could not drink the water. Super Will knew he had to help. He called Super Anna. They worked together to clean the river. It took a long time. They worked very hard. In the end, the river was clean again. The fish were happy. The people could drink the water. Everyone thanked Super Will and Super Anna. Will had many adventures. He flew to far places. He met new people. He helped everyone he could. He always did his best. He was a true hero. Super Will and Super Anna helped the town every day. They made sure everyone was safe. They never gave up. They always found a way to solve problems. They were very smart and very brave. One day, Will and Anna heard a loud noise. It was a giant robot. The robot was breaking things. It was very strong. Super Will and Super Anna flew to the robot. They worked together to stop it. It was a hard fight. They used all their powers. In the end, they stopped the robot. The town was safe again. The people cheered for them. Will's life was full of excitement. He never knew what would happen next. But he knew one thing for sure. He would always help people. He would always be a hero. Super Will and Super Anna had many more adventures. They saved people from floods. They stopped bad guys. They helped animals. They always made sure the town was safe. The people loved them very much. Every night, Will went to bed happy. He knew he had done good things. He knew he had helped people. He dreamed of new adventures. He dreamed of saving more lives. He was always ready for the next day. One day, a big spaceship landed in the town. The spaceship was from another planet. The aliens were friendly, but they needed help. Their spaceship was broken. Super Will and Super Anna flew to the spaceship. They worked together to fix it. The aliens were very grateful. They thanked Super Will and Super Anna. They gave them a special gift. It was a crystal that glowed. The crystal gave them more powers. With the new powers, Super Will and Super Anna could do even more. They could help more people. They could fly higher and faster. They were very happy. They knew they could make a bigger difference. One day, there was an earthquake. The ground shook very hard. Many buildings fell down. People were trapped. Super Will and Super Anna flew to the rescue. They lifted the heavy buildings. They saved the people trapped inside. It was a hard job, but they did not give up. They worked all day and all night. In the end, everyone was safe. The people thanked them. They were very grateful. Super Will and Super Anna never stopped helping. They were always ready for new adventures. They loved their town. They loved the people. They knew they were making a difference. One day, a big problem came. There was a drought. There was no rain for many days. The plants were dying. The animals were thirsty. The people were worried. Super Will and Super Anna flew to the mountains. They found a hidden spring. The spring had lots of water. They brought the water to the town. They saved the plants and animals. The people were very happy. They thanked Super Will and Super Anna. Will's story is a story of courage. It is a story of kindness. It is a story of a true hero. Super Will showed that anyone can be a hero. All you need is a kind heart and a brave spirit. And so, the town lived in peace. They knew they were safe. They knew Super Will and Super Anna were always there. They knew heroes lived among them. And they were grateful. They were happy. Super Will and Super Anna continued to have many adventures. They helped people in faraway places. They saved forests from fires. They cleaned dirty oceans. They always did their best. They never gave up. One day, they met another hero. His name was Supermax. Supermax was very strong. He could lift very heavy things. He could run very fast. Super Will, Super Anna, and Supermax became a great team. They worked together to help people. They had many adventures together. The town was a happy place. People knew they were safe. They knew the heroes were always there to help. They loved Super Will, Super Anna, and Supermax. The heroes loved the town too. They loved helping people. They loved making a difference. Every night, Will went to bed happy. He knew he had done good things. He knew he had helped people. He dreamed of new adventures. He dreamed of saving more lives. He was always ready for the next day. Will's story is a story of bravery. It is a story of kindness. It is a story of hope. Super Will showed that anyone can be a hero. All you need is a kind heart and a brave spirit. And so, the story of Super Will continues. He is always ready to help. He is always ready for new adventures. He is a true hero. And his story will be told for many years. This is the story of Super Will, the boy who became a hero.